Follow these steps to fix Instagram photo access not working. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option screen time. Once you're over here, scroll down and head over to the option content and privacy restrictions. Now navigate to the option photos. Make sure you have checked in for the option allow changes. Then scroll down and click on the option Instagram. Check in for the option full access. With this, Instagram photo access problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is completely disable content and privacy restrictions. Then head back. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. Find Instagram and launch it. Click on the option photos. Make sure you have given full access over here as well. Then you can head back. Go to the main page of settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Instagram and launch it, click on upload app, confirm it, and reinstall app. And that's it. Following these steps, Instagram photo access not working will be solved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.